Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla tire, easy method. Begin by ensuring the car is stable and the parking brake is engaged. Then loosen the lug nuts just enough so they turn with effort but do not come off. Position the jack pad at the proper jacking point and lift until the tire clears the ground. Finish by fully removing lug nuts and taking the wheel off with a controlled pull. Now that the lug nuts are loose and your tools are ready, position the jack pad under the marked jacking point and lift the car slowly until the tire clears the ground by a couple inches. Use steady hands when removing the lug nuts so they do not drop or roll away. Then pull the wheel straight off the hub to avoid scraping the rotor or alignment components. Store the wheel safely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while working. The Owala water bottle is great for keeping water close by and preventing slippery hands, which matters when handling lug nuts. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and gear. Now let's get back to the video. With the wheel removed, take a moment to inspect the rotor, pads, and hub for any damage or buildup that could affect performance. Clean the hub surface and make sure lug nuts are in good condition or replaced if needed. When you put the wheel back on, thread lug nuts by hand. Lower the car slightly so the wheel seats. Then torque the nuts in a crisscross pattern to the manufacturer's spec for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.